Good morning, students. In class 9, chapter polynomial, I want to recall you. In previous class, we have learned in the previous class the different terms, coefficients of the polynomial and classification of the polynomial like monomial, binomial, trinomial and zero polynomial. In another one, we have also studied the classification of the polynomial as per the degree of the polynomial like constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and biquadratic polynomial. Now students, today we will learn about the remainder theorem and the factor theorem. Students, you think the division students, now you see the division of a polynomial by a polynomial. Let us consider two numbers 24 and 3. When we divide, it can be written as 24 is equal to 8 multiply 3 plus 0. Here remainder is 0. We can say that 3 is a factor of 24. Hence, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. It is the fundamental rule. In general, if px and qx are two polynomials and gx not equal to 0 such that degree of px is greater than is equal to degree of gx, then we can find polynomials qx and rx such that px is equal to gx into qx plus rx, where rx is equal to 0 or degree of rx, and on such conditions degree of rx is less than degree of gx. We can say that px divided by gx gives qx as quotient and rx as remainder. Example, you think, consider two polynomial px is equal to x cube plus x square minus 2x plus 1 and gx is equal to x minus 3. If we divide px by gx, we obtained rx is equal to 31. Now using the formula, polynomial of 3 can be obtained. 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 2 minus 2 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 27 plus 9 minus 6 plus 1, and resultant will be 31. Now student, you see the remainder theorem statement. Let px be a polynomial of degree greater than equal to 1 and let a be any real number. When px is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is polynomial of a. Proof: suppose qx is a quotient and rx is a remainder. When px is divided by x minus a, then polynomial of x is equal to x minus a into qx plus rx, where r is equal to 0 or degree of rx is less than degree of x minus a. Since the degree of x minus a is 1 and the degree of rx is less than degree of x minus a, then degree of rx is equal to 0. That is, rx is constant. Let rx is equal to r. Hence, we can write from equation 1 px is equal to x minus a into qx plus r. Put x is equal to a PA is equal to 0 into QA plus R is equal to 0 plus R is equal to 0, which proves the theorem. Now think about one example. Without actual division, find the remainder when Px is equal to 2x cube minus 11x square plus 11x minus 10 is divided by 2x minus 5. We can obtain the solution like this one. 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 or 2x is equal to 5. Hence x is equal to 5 by 2. Now given that polynomial of x is equal to 2x cube minus 11x square plus 19x minus 10. Now using remainder theorem, polynomial of 5 by 2 is equal to 2 into 5 by 2 the whole cube minus 11 into 5 by 2 the whole square plus 19 into 5 by 2 minus 10 is equal to 2 into 125 by 8 minus 11 into 25 by 4 plus 95 by 2 minus 10 is equal to 125 by 4 minus 275 by 4 plus 95 by 2 minus 10, and by simplify we can obtain that it is 0. Hence required remainder will be 0. Now you see the factor theorem. If there is no remainder, it is to be naturally concluded that the given polynomial is completely divided by the given divisor, which means, in other words, that the divisor is a factor of the given polynomial. Therefore, a statement of factor theorem is like this one. A statement: let Px be a polynomial and A be a real number, then x minus a is a factor of polynomial of x if and only if polynomial of a is equal to 0. First case is that if x minus a is a factor of Px, then Pa, that is polynomial of a, is equal to 0. Second case, if polynomial of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of polynomial of x. Proof: by division a logarithm, we can write as Px is equal to x minus a into qx plus r. By remainder theorem, r is equal to polynomial of a. So in first case, if x minus a is factor of polynomial of x, then r is equal to 0. Thus polynomial of a is equal to 0. In second case, if Pa is equal to 0, then r is equal to 0. On such conditions, polynomial of x is equal to x minus a multiply qx. Hence, x minus a is factor of polynomial of x. Students, in factor and the remainder theorem, we have seen its statement and proof also. In any kind of the queries, you contact to me, and in next classes we will discuss about the another part of the NCERT. A student, do the questions related to the factor and remainder theorem. If you feel any kind of difficulties, most welcome to solve all your problems, difficulties, any doubts. Thank you.